Welcome to Park Time, where parking that seems harmless at first can lead to very real consequences. No crash, no collision, just one car in the wrong spot. And when carelessness meets someone who's run out of patience, parking karma shows up. Fast, clean, and sometimes surprisingly funny. Laugh if you want, but behind every situation is a clear lesson. One bad parking choice is enough to inconvenience others and turn you into the problem. When you park like the whole block belongs to you, and the neighbors speak up. Parking style. Main character has entered the scene. A little too much main character energy. Parking so bad it turns into an arm wrestling match. It looks funny at first, but not everyone could handle a situation like this. Not everyone leaves an apology note. Some leave behind a memory you won't forget.
It seems minor, but parking wrong for just a few minutes can cause major trouble. Watching these clips, you realize the problem isn't driving skill, it's parking awareness. One parking job, and suddenly everyone has an opinion. A show-off parking move, ending with a very real lesson. This guy looks like he thinks he's playing a video game. Parking with the confidence of someone who believes the universe is on their side today. This kind of parking doesn't need a parking ticket, just a ticket to watch the consequences. The car stays still, but the drama moves fast.
This is exactly why people say never underestimate a parking spot.
We broke the mirror.
One stop that makes everyone feel the need to comment. A quick decision, paid for with a very memorable afternoon. Only after parking do you realize, walking a bit farther might have been easier. Not sure if this guy ever looked back at his car again. A moment that makes everyone watching hold their breath. If this were a movie, this would be the climax.
No balls!
The car didn't get into an accident, it just ran into destiny. He's not blocking the road, he's just sitting there, thinking about life. One sticker is nothing, but when everyone joins in, it becomes art. This scene proves one thing: don't mess with animals that have horns. The supercar enters the parking lot with confidence and leaves in silence. Accidents don't always come from speed. Sometimes they come from standing still in the wrong place. Situations like this remind us that parking correctly matters just as much as driving safely. This is the advanced version of parking close to the wall. Before the car could get washed, the neighbors had already decorated it. A moment of overconfidence with a very uncertain ending. One small parking decision, followed by a long struggle to fix it. A garage entry so bad it makes the architect double-check the blueprint. The windshield is gone, but the attitude remains untouched. When you turn the street into a community gathering spot, a situation that even makes the police pause for a few seconds. When frustration reaches its limit, the grinder shows up. Park wrong for an afternoon, and your car gets upgraded into a mobile trash bin. One bad parking spot, memorable for the entire neighborhood.
Did you notice? She reacted so fast. You can tell she's done this before. Imagine one day this happens to your car. He's sitting inside the car and still can't save the situation. Left just enough space for a deep sigh. One careless moment, one unwanted trip. Parked in a lot, but it looks like a spare parts showroom. Parking style, as long as I'm comfortable. Is he making a U-turn or drawing crop circles? A parking move so bad it inspired someone's creative mode. parking moves so bad it inspired someone's creative mode. The shopping cart's just standing there, unsure whether to laugh or cry. The shopping cart's just standing there, unsure whether to laugh or cry. The pickup didn't crash, he just decided to settle there. Parked the car, then realized he's the main character. An unexpected ride-sharing moment in the middle of an intersection. Not every delay on the road is meaningless. Sometimes just seeing the ending is enough to understand exactly what happened. If you've ever experienced the moment that made you stop and just watch, share it in the comments below. Park Time will keep following and capturing these very real stories, because every video begins with the everyday moments happening all around us.